this is Heather from CysterWigs.com. I'm going to do this one a little bit differently. I'm going to just show you what the cap construction looks like on this one so we can get on to the rest of the wig in just a second. This is the Megan in dark chocolate, and both are by Noriko. So I want to show you the cap construction first because on Noriko wigs, they're all kind of the same more or less unless we say specifically otherwise in the video. They all have this sort of standard permateased top with a lot of permatease. I haven't seen this one on me, by the way, yet, and so my suspicion is that it's going to be very round on top. We'll see, because that's the way most Noriko wigs are. There's a little bit of felt right here at the front hairline. There's also open wefts on the side, and in the back we have an extended closed nape that is covered in lace. It doesn't have felt back there, and it adjusts a bit like a bra strap, and it does have slightly underknotted, closed, lace-covered ear tabs. And I also predict that this one's going to be snug on me because most of these Noriko wigs tend to be. Let's see how that goes. Oh yeah. This one's definitely a little bit tight on me. But that's because I have an average large cap circumference. There is no lace front on here, so you want to be strategic with how you part the hair and how you present the bang. Go ahead and make sure those ear tabs are flush against the side of my head. The coverage is good on both sides. And it does definitely have kind of a round shape on top, doesn't it? A lot of these Noriko wigs do. I'm gonna tuck some of that behind my ear here. But really, that's all there was to putting this one on. Let me go ahead and do 360 so you can see what Megan looks like on all sides. So yeah, this is a really cute one. Could be very unisex, I think, depending on, you know, the kind of boy interested in this. Love the way this kind of curls, and that's very cute. So if I were a man and I were wearing this wig, I would probably straighten that with some steam. Just throwing that out there. That curl inward is a very feminine thing. I like the nape. See how the nape just kind of hugs the back of my neck back there? But that also means that if you have a really short neck, then this one's probably going to hit you a little differently back here, and it may rub up against your collar more than you see here on me. I like this. I don't think I would wear it personally because it's a little bit tight on me, as I mentioned earlier, but because this fits true to average, it will fit most female wig wearers very well. It'll be very secure on, and you don't have to worry so much about there being any gapping or anything like that. This one should stay in place really beautifully, provided that you are an average cap size. So know your measurements, ladies, and if you're not sure about where you fall, take the quiz on our website to learn your cap size. It's that easy. It's just 2 questions, and I walk you through it with videos. So until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.